Hello guys, today we'll go buy a new MacBook Air M5, the newest one, because right now we're using this one. It's a Dell, but it's kind of old and it's good, but it isn't resisting what I'm doing right now, developing an AI system for other businesses and also making and editing videos. So we'll go for it and I'll make an unboxing for you. Here we are in the store and I was watching the MacBook Pro, that is the one that I have right now, but at first we were going to buy another one that was the MacBook Air. This was the best decision, by the way. With the Air, you couldn't work that much hard, and here we're paying, well, my mama, thanks, love. At this point I was really feeling it. I was really happy and excited of what is gonna come and we're gonna build in this laptop. Hello guys, we're just testing our new computer. I'll use this computer for all of my projects of automation, content creation, and much other things that I want to sell. And with this computer, I'll be able to make all of that. And check it out, it's really good. I'm trying to use also the iPad as a secondary monitor. I actually love it. I will show you how I continue developing the things and also how you can use your MacBook better. I'll show you how this is going. Next day, we're developing an agent in the school. We're making all the hard work, and I prefer this much more than the boring English class. But here we built our first agents. I will start selling this in the future, but right now I'm carrying a project that next video I'll talk to you about that. And yeah, the class was kind of boring, so I prefer doing this shit all the time. Also, at the library was really good, and at night we didn't sleep because of being developing all of this. I want to finish it already, but doing that isn't cheap. And we were also creating our accounts for start investing in our future in the money. I love the market and I love trading, so I want to learn all the things. And we start with 0.1 US dollars, but in the future that's gonna be millions for sure. The MacBook M5 Pro is one of the best performing laptops in all the world right now. I have run code, I have edited videos, played video games, and made hard work of creating apps, and it runs actually perfectly. Let me show you the specification of it. This one is 14 inches and has a new chip, the M5. It has 10 core CPU. This is for going super fast, and that's one of the most important things. In the memory, it has 16 gigabytes of RAM, and when the 10 core of GPU is really good and really fast. You don't need more 24 or 32. It's just if you are making very heavy work. And the storage, this one, the one that I have, has 1 terabyte because the one of 512 has been eliminated. It doesn't exist anymore. Apple isn't selling it anymore. And the screen, it has the Liquid Retina XDR, that it's one of the best screens of all the market because it shows the colors as they really are more near to that reality, and it's one of the best screens that you can have, like the one of your iPhone or any Apple thing. The battery too, because you can be 24 hours of streaming video playback, 16 hours wireless web browsing, and you can be like around 12 or 10 hours using your MacBook non-stop. In the loading expansion, we have, well, every port it's available, but in the Pro you can have the port of the HDMI. It's very important because in the Air it doesn't have it. The thing that Apple has is that the ports are really limited, but this one at least have a few more than the Air, so that's good. And you also can connect it to any monitor. I have connected it to a 3D monitor of like 10 years ago, and it's really good. You can make everything video playback, audio playback. Also the keyboard and trackpad, it's really good. You can go absolutely fast with no problem. And it's the thing that I love the most of the MacBook, that you can be really fast working on your projects, and it's more intuitive than the Windows ones, so that's amazing. Also in the Bluetooth, it has one of the newest ones, and Wi-Fi too, but well, we all use the version 4 of the Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth I don't even know. The camera, the resolution, it's good, but it's not better, but it's really good. In the audio, It sounds like a professional thing, this MacBook. If you want to reproduce your series or songs, in this MacBook is absolutely amazing. I recommended it actually a lot. The weight and the size, it's a little bit bigger than the Air because this one has fans inside it so it can go faster and it doesn't get hot. And the weight, it's also really easy to be carrying it on, not as the Air, but it doesn't really matter. You can carry it everywhere with no problem, and it's very resistant. It has Apple Intelligence that I actually don't use it that much, but it's really good. And now I'll tell you some things that might be really useful for you if you have more things of the Apple environment. If you own more things such as an Apple or some AirPods or an iPhone, anything that is from Apple, it's really useful that you have a MacBook because you can connect it and make things instantly very fast and with much more quality than if you're using something of Samsung or any Windows thing. So I recommend it a lot if you have more things of the Apple environment to actually buy a MacBook. For example, you can copy any text in your phone and paste it in your laptop without making anything. Just instantly it goes. Also, if you make content creation with the airdrop, you can pass the videos instantly. With this, I spent like 20 seconds, and before making it with Drive, I passed like 1 hour in making all that, or even 3 hours a day. But with this, you can go really fast, and I recommend it a lot. So in general, the MacBook M5 Pro, it's one of the best options that you can take if you're doing heavy work, if you're a developer, if you're coding, you're making videos, and it's really good. And it has a plus that is Apple. I don't really like Windows because I'm a Gen, what am I, a Gen Z? I don't know, but it's better, and then it's better. So I recommend it a lot, and I hope you like the video, and I hope that you subscribe.